What's up, friends? It's your boy Daniel here. We are back at the Mosquito Lagoon, and here's what we're getting ourselves into. We are doing a 2-night, 3-day trip. Catch, clean, and cook. That's the main primary purpose. Didn't bring any food out outside of a couple of condiments, and we'll go through that in a little bit. So the goal is to catch some protein. I brought the crab traps, I got the poles, I got the cast net, and we're gonna actually go digging for clams. So I appreciate you joining. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Weather couldn't be better. So let's go out there and let's do the dang thing. Appreciate you joining. All right, friends, we are off now. We are leaving our launch point, headed out to Island 2 on Homestead. I would say from here, it's probably gonna be a half an hour, 40-minute paddle. I got a lot of weight on me. I'm gonna relax, enjoy myself, and you know, enjoy this beautiful day. So, man, I'm so happy to be out here. All right, here we are. Island number 2, Homestead. This is gonna be home for the next couple of nights. Welcome home. Somebody blessed us with some firewood. Thank you, random strangers, whoever you are. This Kelty 2-person tent is awesome. I've now had the luxury of using it a couple times, but yeah, definitely one of my favorite tents yet. Thanks, Todd, I appreciate it. I'll tell you what, the weather being cold is nice because there's no bugs. Man, this is really nice. You know, Mosquito Lagoon gets its name for a reason. A lot of mosquitoes, lots of bugs, lots of no-see-ums, but we're bug-free right now, so I'm gonna sit here with the window and door open. We got some menhide in, I bought from the bait shop. Chicken liver. I'm not gonna pour this in until we get out there because it's pretty nasty. So I'll take that with us. All right, crab pot number 1 we're gonna put down. All right. Crab pot number 2. Fish right there. Decent size. All right, well, unfortunately the first few hours of fishing was a bust. Sometimes that's the name of the game. I don't know what time it is. I didn't bring a watch on my phone, and it looks like it's, you know, starting to get a little bit later. So I'm gonna switch it up and go try to hunt for some shellfish. This is what we're looking for this weekend. They're quail clams. This one is all eaten up, but it's a good sign. I've seen a few of these so far on this site, so we're gonna go digging for these later. Up, up, up. Dinner time. That's what I hope saying. Let's get some dinner time. All right, y'all. Unfortunately, harvesting some food right now was a bust. Couldn't find clams. Didn't catch any fish. I'm gonna try fishing again here, probably in the next hour or so. I might have a fish on. This is that surf rig. Let's see what we got. All right. The one thing I won't eat. You're lucky, little guy. You're the one thing I won't eat. Oh. Get out of my campsite, man. Alright, so here's what we got. I already got some little pieces of twigs ready to go, and I brought some cotton balls for my tinder. My magnesium brick. Fire going. I'm gonna add some bigger sticks. Alright, fire's rolling good now. My one lonesome oyster. It's trying to steam up it now. That's good. Salty. Salty. Very good. Wow. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for the evening. It's getting late, and I'm planning on getting up really early at dawn to try to redeem myself and catch some trout. Appreciate you joining, and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, I lied. We are back in action. I had a bait out on this pole. Let's see what we got. Something's on this line. Haha, it's a rat red. Look at that. How about that? Told you, not too bad. Didn't get skunked. Got a rat red. Look at that, folks. I don't know if you can see that too well. Look at that. Little baby redfish. Let's let her go. Look at that, how pretty that is. Let him go. You see, guys, it wasn't a complete skunk yesterday. Last night I did a little bit of fishing off the island right here. Caught that little rat red. I hope I got video of it. But I got a couple little catfish too. Look at this one. I don't want to put them on a stringer quite yet, but we have a nice, pretty good meaty sized catfish. Y'all think I'm playing, but we're having catfish for lunch if we don't catch anything else. All right, y'all, day 2 afternoon session. Operation Harvesting Fish is still in motion. We're gonna head back out there. It's about 11 a.m. now. And let's see what we get ourselves into. I'm gonna try out a couple new spots and hopefully we'll have some luck today. Let's go have some fun. So look who decided to join us today. Finally, didn't skunk. I actually caught that blue crab on a rod and reel. He was holding on to one of my shrimp, and I just reeled him in slowly. That was pretty cool. So I didn't skunk. At least I got a blue crab for during the night. Never thought I'd be so happy to see a little medium-sized crab, but I'm happy. There's a cold front coming in tomorrow. You can see that the weather, the wind just picked up dramatically. It's getting pretty tough to paddle out here now. So I'm gonna head back towards campsite just so I'm not stuck a couple miles out. Bad news though, guys. Still nothing outside that blue crab, but I'm having a good day. All right, y'all, so I just got back from my second fishing trip of the day. Unfortunately, still kind of got skunked outside catching that blue crab on a rod and reel, which is always unique and cool. It's about 1 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything in, you know, a day and a half-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and fry up that hardhead catfish. I know most people don't eat saltwater catfish, but you know what? To me, fish is fish. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm going to fry them up just like I would any other catfish that I catch freshwater or anything of that nature. So I'm confident it's gonna be delicious. I'm confident and I'm excited about it. So all right, follow me as I go ahead and prepare this catfish for you guys. All right, we're doing this. We have our hardhead catfish. I already gutted it, bled him out. I'm gonna fillet it like any other kind of fillet or fish. If you look at the fillet, it's not half bad. I mean, very minimal bloodline. I did cut a little bit far from the skin. I mean, it's a little yellowish in color compared to your classic, you know, like white, but I don't know, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited. I don't know if it's because I'm super hungry, but yeah, I'm ready to fry this thing up. Stove. Hot. Oil. Go ahead and throw in some of this catfish. Like little catfish nuggets. I'll tell you what, that smells and looks really good. I'm super excited. Look at that. That's a nice looking piece of meat. All right, guys, that cooked up pretty well. It looks and smells really good, like any other catfish or fried fish. But here comes the test. Let's give it a try. My first time having hardhead catfish. Wow. That's very good. That's delicious. If I gave you a side-by-side comparison of fried catfish that you normally would eat, anyone would buy in any restaurant or any store at Publix, and I gave you this, I think you choose this. This is fantastic. All right, well, I think I'm done kayak fishing for now. I just got done eating that delicious catfish, and then I set up camp, kind of packed things up too, because, I mean, there's a big storm that's coming in tonight. So tomorrow morning's adventure back home should be interesting. I was planning on staying another half a day, but I'm gonna head home as soon as the sun comes up because it's gonna be coming down and winds are supposed to be up to 20 miles per hour. But for now, I'm just gonna walk around this island. Haven't really explored it too much on foot. So there are so many mollusk shells. I mean, this has got to be hundreds and hundreds of years worth of shells. I mean, it's incredible. about that? Look at that. You guys see that? Hermit crab. Here you go. One back down. Oh, see some dolphins out there. Whoa, dolphins. Whoa. That was so cool. A group of dolphins just ran up on the shoreline and made a big commotion. That was awesome. I hope I caught that on film. There they go. All right, the sun is starting to kind of set, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up those 2 crab pots. So let's see if we've had better luck today than we did yesterday. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo. Got one. Got another one. All right. Well, 2 makes dinner, so we are good. All right. Wonderful. That's a nice sized crab. It's a good sized blue crab. All right, friends. Good news. We are doing a crab boil tonight. We did get a couple of blue crabs, and I brought along a potato and some corn, and I had a pack of these breakfast chorizos or whatever. I'm gonna throw those in there too. I wasn't planning on eating it. Like I said, I only brought the condiments and the sides. So we got the crabs, so now we got the dinner. So I'm just gonna bring a pot of water to boil, throw in the rest of this Old Bay, and once it comes to a rolling boil, we'll go ahead and throw in those crabs. Cut up some potatoes, corn, and chorizo. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Heck yeah. Go ahead. Look at that, folks. That boil is coming together quite nice. All right, folks, I think we are just about ready. Come take one more look. Oh yeah. Tell me that does not look beautiful. Ooh, look at that scene. Home caught crab boil. God bless you, crabs. All right, y'all, here we go. This might be my best camping meal to date. This thing, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Take one more look. Crabs, corn, brought a couple potatoes. And look at that. That's the money shot right there, guys. Oh yeah. Well, that's all she wrote. Crushed that. I feel pretty good. Not full, but very satisfied. As you can see, the sun is starting to go down pretty quickly. It's about 6 o'clock. All right, y'all. Well, sun is about down. Got the fire going. I'm just gonna chill out and call for a night. So that's the end of today. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully, won't be caught up too bad in that storm. I'll go see you in the morning. I wasn't planning on doing any video, but I was out here fishing and I finally caught our first trout. It's a nice keeper too. Oh my God, I'm actually still hungry. Should we cook it up? think we might have to cook it up. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Hey, good morning, everybody. Ugh. Still tired, but I had a good night rest. Slept really well again last night. This Climate mattress pad and this pillow is so comfortable. I think I'm sleeping better out here than I do at home. But I got woken up by the rain, and the sun isn't up yet, but gonna go ahead and start packing up before the storm gets too bad. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted. See you in a bit. Beautiful rainbow. All right, friends, well, just got back to the launch point and got back to my truck. So gonna pack it up, wrap it up, and head on home. I appreciate you joining. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I promise you we'll do another adventure here again soon. Love you guys. Peace.